Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Indian Tech Guru for you. In this video, let us learn how to access resources of Microsoft Upskilling Program using mobile phone. So for that purpose, first of all, we need to go to Play Store and search for Sharepoint. Then it will show you Microsoft Sharepoint app. Install this particular app. Click on install. It is being installed. Once it is installed, then you can use the credentials provided by the university or your college, which is starting with JNTU in case of JNTU Anantapur, and then you can log in into your SharePoint portal using mobile phone. Let us wait till it installs. It has been successfully downloaded. Now it is being installed. Once it is installed, click on open. Now you have to give the credentials provided by your college. I have given the user ID and then click on the arrow button. Then it will prompt you for password. Make sure that you have updated the default password. Once you give the password, then you will have this SharePoint portal. Wait till it loads the content. So here you can see the learning portal. Now we are able to access the learning portal from mobile phone after installing the SharePoint app. Just click on learning portal and there will be 3 lines which represents the menu at the top left side corner. So just click on the menu and then select courses. Then you will find the course that has been mapped for you. Just click on that particular folder. So as in case of the website, here also you will find the 4 folders, which will be introductory webinar, live class, live course recordings, course study materials and FAQs. So now the first thing you need to do is watching the introductory webinar. Just click on that particular folder. Then you will find the introductory webinar video. However, if you touch this particular introductory webinar, then it says that sorry, there is no app installed that can open this type of file. So here actually we cannot go further. So that's why to solve this problem, what we need to do is we need to install one more app. Once again, go to Play Store. And now search for Microsoft Stream. So this is the software required to actually play the content from APSCHE portal. So Microsoft Stream is the app. Just click on install. Until unless you install this particular app, you cannot watch the videos in the mobile phone provided by learning portal. Let us wait till it installs. As most of the students have only mobile phones and it is very difficult to navigate the website from the mobile phone. So this is the most probable solution which I have found. Has been downloaded successfully and being installed. Once it is installed, then click on open. Now here also you need to give the same email address, that is same user ID provided by your college. And click on sign in. And then click on continue. Then it will be signing you into the stream, and surprisingly you will find the same video which is provided by a learning portal here. So previously it was not accessible, but now it is accessible. Just click on the video. Now the video can be played and you can watch the video.
Hi everyone, I welcome you all to this cybersecurity fundamentals
So this is
webinar.
how we can actually
In this webinar, we would be talking about a lot of details around this specific certification exam. So what are the different things that we would be covering, how this certification can help you out in your career, using a job, or getting a job, or even trying to understand
opening the website from the mobile phone. So what are the two apps we need to install? One is Sharepoint, another one is Microsoft Stream. So once you install these two apps, then it is possible to view each and every video that is provided by Microsoft Upskilling Program using mobile phone. Hope you like this video. That's all for now.